Hey everyone, in today's video, we're gonna review the 5-day challenge called Learn, Launch, and Lead by Legendary Marketer. I'm sure you've heard about it, and I'm sure you're curious to know what you get for $5 and for these 5 days. So let's get into it. Let's go. All right, so we're on the main page of Legendary Marketer. So if you haven't heard about them, where have you been? They've been around for a very long time. They used to have a 15-day challenge that has been changed to a 5-day challenge just recently, about 2-3 months ago, if I recall well. So here you can check out the business if you want to know who they are first. But honestly, super legit. I've done their 15-day challenge, I've done their 5-day challenge. You are getting so much more value on the 5-day challenge that uh, yeah, that's I encourage people who have never done any challenges to just go with it. You'll be surprised what you get for $5. So let's get into it and check out what you get inside. So day one, it's all about learning about digital marketing. Because why? Because we know that um, digital marketing is it's it's broad, right? You don't just get to learn about the affiliate marketing, you get to learn about all the different ways to make money online um, with digital marketing. So you can market your own products, you can market other companies' products. So you will learn about all the different ways to make money online with that first video. So it's going to show you what you can do to make money online. So you get the top niches to explore right here. So here they tell you about the wake up legendary calls that are Monday to Friday on Facebook, but they also post them on YouTube. So if you want to go check out YouTube as well, their page on YouTube, you get to see the interviews every day, Monday to Friday. So they interview successful entrepreneurs that have been in the business, could be recently or since a long time, and that have been doing really good. Um, you get to learn their journey, what they've been doing, how they started, their I mean, everything. They'll tell you everything about their journey. So you get motivation, you get new ideas every day. I like to listen to that because yeah, you do get different type of new ideas. It's interesting, and we like to know how people are making money online successfully. So it's super good. I encourage you to go check them out. Go on YouTube. You're on YouTube right now, so might as well just go on YouTube on their channel and check them out. You can schedule a call with a business plan advisor if you want to, so that you'll get that reminder every single day. So I'm not going to talk about it, but if you need more help, it is helpful. It's good. You'll have someone who's going to hold your hand and show you exactly what to do and how you can be successful. And a lot of people need that. And there's no shame on willing to have more help. Uh, we tend to not want more help because we don't want to spend more money. We want to do it on our own. Go on YouTube, check the videos. But some people, they need more than that. So yeah, that's good for this type of people, and it would be good for everyone, to tell you the truth. Really. But yeah. So day two is all about launching. So here you'll get to learn how to create a um, faceless business, I would say. So you'll get to learn how to create to monetize faceless videos. So if you don't want to show your face, you want to make money, but you don't want to show your face, this is for you. An hour and 24 minutes. That's the length of the video. This was not in the 15-day challenge. So if you've done the 15-day challenge, but you don't want to take the 5-day, I think you should, because you will learn about that. So that's interesting. And I really enjoyed watching this video. Actually, I watched it twice, and I took lots of notes. It was so interesting. Again, as I said, you will get that reminder to book a call with a business plan advisor. Day three is all about leading, lead with confidence. So it's all about how you can create how you can be unique for your business so you can make money online without copying. So you can be different than every other people around you trying to make money online in the same branch. Um, that that will help you to be you, be yourself, make money with what you have and with your personality. So it will show you how. It was a good video too. That's an hour long video if I remember. Yeah, an hour long video. You get 50 free hooks. So yeah, you'll learn about making videos for your social media platforms that you can monetize. It's all about that. So it's super interesting. You can get a social media scheduler here. And again, book a call with a business plan advisor if you want to. Day four is about mindset. It's a 30-minute video. It's all about mindset. We know when you have your own business, you're an entrepreneur, you need to have a great mindset no matter what. In the highs and the lows, you got to keep it real. You need to keep your mindset great. Like, yeah, keep a great mindset no matter what. So that's a video, motivational video that's gonna tell you how. Um, yeah. So fill out the clarity process questionnaire right here. You get to know which books could help you in your journey as well, like Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you haven't read that one, you can. It's great. It's a great book. A lot of people I know around me already have read that book, but if you haven't, go for it. And you can book your call if you need to. Day five is about your business plan. You need to have a business plan. It is a business, it's not just a side hustle. If you treat it like a side hustle, it will give you side hustle money. So it's going to give you little pennies here and there. Think about it that way when you go to your 9 to 5 job. If you were to just be paid per hour and you treated your 9 to 5 like a side hustle, and you were to go there like just an hour today, 2 hours tomorrow, 3 hours the next day, an hour the next day, you would make no money, and I don't think you would keep your job. So if you want to make a good income with your online business, you have to treat it as a real business, not just as just a side business that you don't care about. You need to nurture it so it's going to provide you with your main income. It will give you so much more than your 9 to 5 can give you. You just have 24 hours in a day. Your 9 to 5 is giving you, you're probably paid per hour. You probably work 8 to 10 hours a day. So this is it. You're capped, and that's that. But if you have your own business, you can get to make so much more money. So just, make your income to pay your bills during your 9 to 5, and just become rich with your 5 to 9. You begin your class here about your business plan. You need to have a map to know where to go. So that's the business plan. What is your business about? Who's your target? Where do you want to take it to? It's all about your business plan. It has to be in there. You need to know where you're going with your business. And you can schedule your call if you haven't done so, and if you want to. Here it is. And here you can submit your business plan as well. You have an example here. If you don't know what it is, you've never done one. So yeah, that's all about the 5-day challenge from Legendary Marketer. I really, really enjoyed it so much more than the 15-day challenge. The 15-day challenge just launched me into the digital marketing space. I made a lot of money just starting from scratch with that 15-day challenge. And I guarantee if you start a 5-day challenge, first of all, you'll enjoy it way more. And there's no more 15-day challenge, anyways. So you have no choice. This is it. So if you want to check it out, there's a link below this video. If you have any questions, just ask away and I'll be happy to help. And that's it for this video. Thanks guys for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. If this was helpful at all, and if this helped you to decide if yes or no you want to join the challenge, please give me some thumbs up. If you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. If you have any questions regarding this challenge, ask away, comment below, and I'll be happy to respond to your questions. If you want to join the challenge, I left a link below right here, so you can go ahead and join. It's only $5. It's well worth it, and I'm sure it's going to help you to launch your business successfully. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.